Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Integrated Science, Business, and Technology ISBT degree at LaSalle University. You haven't heard of this major because it is the evolved version of all the subjects that you have studied in high school. ISBT is not only a deeper understanding of the traditional disciplines, but the integration of their latest discoveries for the development of innovative solutions to our most pressing and important problems. The ISBT major is housed in the School of Arts and Sciences. Within the sciences, we study the pieces and parts that are used to develop solutions. We integrate these parts into working products and services through the arts, which is the study of membership and how these parts best fit together as a coherent whole. Let's look at LaSalle University as an example. The most important and primary part of LaSalle is our students. Our graduates move on to help define our local and global society. Societies, through publications, social media, and culture, create new learning in the area of philosophy. Some of these philosophers move on to contemplate our fate and our futures, while other philosophers look back in the other direction to learn more about the parts that make us who we are. Those philosophers who study to learn more about the parts are called scientists. This is why the highest degree available to scientists is the Doctor of Philosophy, or PhD degree, held by most of the professors at LaSalle. As a university, students at LaSalle can study to earn their PhD, master's, and bachelor's degrees. When looking back, scientists discovered that we are part of the many and varied organisms and life forms on our planet. These organisms are composed of smaller parts called organs. And still smaller, the organs are made out of similar types of cells. When we look in the other directions, cells, organs, and organisms are members of a group of studies called the life sciences. And the studies of humans, society, and philosophy are members of a group called the humanities or the social sciences. But there are still smaller parts to study. Cells contain parts that hold and transfer information. The information needs material to have something to organize. And at the smallest level, material is composed of energy, which is how we are able to burn fuel for heat, light, and electricity. The group of energy, material, and information are called the physical or the natural sciences. But we still haven't mentioned any subjects that you have studied in high school or any of the majors that are available at LaSalle. So we need the names of some popular disciplines that study the parts in each of these boxes: physics, chemistry, mathematics, computer science, cell biology, genetics, anatomy and physiology, biology as a broad term, ecology, environmental science, psychology, medicine, healthcare, sociology, business, management, education, ethics, religion, and politics. All of these boxes of study are integrated into a group that is called the liberal arts. But of course, as we have seen, this large group is made up of the natural, life, and social sciences, so its more proper name should be the liberal arts and sciences. Too often the word liberal is automatically thought to be a political label, but as citizens of Philadelphia we know that this liberal means liberty, as in people have the freedom to study whatever interests them and in which areas they have discovered talent. So we have finally defined the ISBT major, the evolved form of all these individual disciplines. In the Integrated Science, Business, and Technology major, we study the connections, associations, and relationships among the traditional disciplines for the purpose of developing new products and services to solve complex problems that require interdisciplinary collaboration. A super advanced high school may include classes from all of the disciplines you will find in college, but there isn't enough time to learn everything and then start the process of integration. That's why you haven't heard of ISBT. ISBT is not a replacement for the majors in the traditional disciplines. We desperately need advanced research and additional experts in all of the disciplinary boxes to discover more parts. Author Malcolm Gladwell describes the mastery process as requiring at least 10,000 hours of intense study. Even if you studied continuously, 8 hours per day on a single subject for the 120 weeks that it takes to earn an undergraduate degree, that is still less than 5,000 hours. Author David Epstein argues that it is much better for humans to explore a range of subjects to discover their passion before they set to the task of spending 10,000 hours in specialization. This is the essence of ISBT. Our students study the best that each discipline has to offer while they integrate those parts, essentially studying along the red arrows of the university's system diagram above. Our graduates often discover their passions and settle on a particular discipline or collection of disciplines to study and master in graduate school or their careers. Regardless of which specific career, our graduates develop into highly effective team members that are eager to explore the frontiers of innovation within their respective industries. ISBT is not yet a popular job title. However, our ISBT graduates who are applying their ISBTian skills have job titles that include Project Manager, Business Analysis, Specialist, Regulatory Affairs, Quality Control, Risk Analyst, Cybersecurity Engineer, Chief Executive Officer, Entrepreneur. While these job titles and careers are also not subjects you studied in high school, we hope that you will explore how a Bachelor of Science degree in Integrated Science, Business, and Technology can help you prepare for your innovative future. To learn more about our degree, please visit our website, and to meet and ask questions of our growing number of ISBT graduates, please visit us on LinkedIn. And remember, whatever our uncertain futures reveal to us, explorers are never lost.